Let us show you how to install AccountEdge Pro. After you've downloaded the DMG file, double-click on it. The first step will be to agree to licensing. So just click the Agree button. You can print or save this file if you'd like. And the installation process will begin. You'll see the DMG window open and simply drag the AccountEdge Pro icon to your Applications folder. Back in the Applications folder, you'll just double-click on the AccountEdge Pro icon, and this will start the full installation process of the environment required to run AccountEdge. This could take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your hardware and your internet connection. But stay close because there's a couple of dialog boxes that you have to interact with during the installation. You'll see the progress bars appear on screen, and we're going to accelerate this video so you can see the whole process happen without sitting through it in real time. When completed, you'll click the Finish button, and this will be the end of the installation. This process is something you only need to do once to install the environment, and AccountEdge will load in the background. We'll select a sample company, and this will take us into our Widgets Coffee Company sample file. Of course, you'll be bringing your own AccountEdge file or upgrading it. Upgrading your AccountEdge company file is the same as it has been all along. You just need to do it in this new environment, and we'll have a video to show you that on our YouTube channel. But here you'll see it's the same AccountEdge with every feature you've come to appreciate.